invite you and Mr. Murphy to join that breakout room. All right, go ahead and join the breakout room.
Thank you.
All right, so Mr. Malaro, I have your clients from the jail. So let me get their files. And do you have a preference, Mr. Malaro? Do you want to start with Mr. Graves or Mr. Renner?
Either one's fine, Judge, whichever you
All right.
prefer.
Okay, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Alvin D. Graves, file number 23-21428FH. I have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Graves, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for a pretrial conference in this matter. Mr. Malaro, how would you like to proceed today? You froze, Mr. and Mr. Malaro. We're not picking up audio. I'm sorry.
How about now? Can you hear me now?
Yes. Yep, it's activated now. Thank you.
Your Honor, we going to ask to adjourn this at least 1 week. We put in a request to have Mr. Graves screened for recovery court, and we got a response that's, I think, scheduled for tomorrow, or there's a meeting tomorrow or something.
Okay. My next available is 2 weeks, May 28th at 8:30 in the morning.
That would be fine,
So,
Judge.
All right, I will set it for a pretrial May 28th at 8:30 in the morning. And if you could do the step in order to adjourn, Mr. Sneed, can you sign your name with permission?
Yes, thanks.
Thank you, Your
All right,
Honor.
Mr. Graves, we will see you back on that day and maybe sooner. Mr. Malaro will always bring you in sooner if there's a resolution. So we'll see you back then or earlier. Thank you, Mr. Graves. All right, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus James Vernon Renner, let me get there. We have 4 files, 22 or 21-20539FH, 22-21119FH, and those, and then 22-21120FH. Those are contempt of court, possibly probation violation hearings. And then we have a pretrial scheduled on 25-22223FH. I have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Renner, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. Mr. Malaro, how would you like to proceed? Yeah, we don't have audio. I'm sorry.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
Okay. So, Judge, we did a bench conference on this, and then we tasked, I think, Ms. Teskey about the RAP program, and we received a message back that that's up to you. So I don't know, do we need another bench conference for that, or?
Does he want RAP?
Well, I guess I need to talk to the court, get the exact details of RAP, and then talk to Mr. Renner about it.
So Ms. Teskey is present. So the RAP program is through Eaton County. It's a great program. It's a year-long program, and they have a host of opportunities available in mental health counseling, drug addiction counseling, alcohol counseling, and more. And then he would be released back out on probation. And then if he violates again, though, it's a mandatory prison term. So is that about sum it up, Ms. Teskey? Anything else you want to add?
No, Your Honor, it is. So you were right on everything, but it's a 6-month program at the minimum. So it could be longer depending on how he moved through the program. But James, if you don't complete the program, it is just a step before prison. So it's a lockdown facility.
Yeah, it's lockdown. It's very intense. We've had a few people through recovery court go through it, and they have great things to say about it. Is that something you'd be opposed to on his files, Ms. Teskey?
I'm not opposed, Your Honor.
Mr. Sneed, do the people take any position?
I have no position, Your Honor. Thank you.
So then, Judge, I would ask to adjourn this so I could go meet with him at the jail, make sure he has a complete understanding, and then we would go forward.
So I will set this for
Complete
pretrial
understanding of it.
on May 28th at 8:30 in the morning. And Mr. Malaro, if you can do the step in order to adjourn, and Mr. Renner, we'll see you back on that day. Mr. Malaro, if he chooses to enter a plea, I can bring him back right away. Okay?
Right. Yeah, I'll come over Friday, James, and then we'll get you in if that's what you want to do. Okay?
Okay,
All
Thank you, Your
right.
Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Renner.
thank you.
All right, we are back with, hold on a second. I have a couple in the jail for Mr. Murphy. Caleb Daniels.
What kind of deal?
Hi, this is Judge Ann Simone again. I am ready now for Caleb Daniels and Christina Edmonds.
Yeah, Daniels, and what was the second one?
Christina Edmonds, she might be downstairs. She's a pickup.
Yep, she is. I'll
Okay.
let him know.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, Mr. Olmsted, you're back on the record in the matter of Harley Olmsted. So, Mr. Murphy, how do you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, thank you for that breakout session with Mr. Olmsted. Mr. Olmsted is charged with one file with possession of methamphetamine, another file larceny. Now, the other file is up for arraignment today. That is file 25252. We would acknowledge receipt of the information and the witness list and discovery demand by the prosecution in that matter. We would waive a reading of those in the open court. At this point, I was trying to get ultimately an understanding what the prosecution was wanting to do with both files, hoping for misdemeanor pleas on 7411, involving 7411 with his performance and his recovery, or that he's been doing right now. So I'll just ask to adjourn, I guess, for a pretrial, whatever fits the court schedule best. At this point, yeah, I don't really have an offer covering both files. And I think just one more pretrial, and then we'll probably have it solved by then.
All right, how about June 18th at 8:30 in the morning?
That's fine for the defense, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, so we will do the notice of hearing on the arraignment file. If you can do the step in order to adjourn on the pretrial file.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Sneed, can you sign your name with permission?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay, all right, Mr. Olmsted, we'll see you back on June 18th at 8:30. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. You have a great day.
You too.
Thank you, Mr. Olmsted. I'm going to talk to you soon, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Murphy, I have Aaron Lambus. Mr. Bailey, I just brought you in real quick. Miss Underwood goes back and forth between the courts, and right now she is in front of Judge Olsaver, so I'm going to pop her initials after your name, and then when she gets here, I'll bring you back in. All right, Mr. Bailey? Thank you. All right, Mr. Lambus, grab your file. Right, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Aaron Wayne Lambus, file number 25-22159FH. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people and Matthew Murphy appearing on behalf of Mr. Lambus. I do have a letter dated May 13 of 2025 from Darren Coast, my pretrial services coordinator. He states that Mr. Lambus successfully completed inpatient treatment at Dawn Farms on April 4. According to Dawn Farms, he is on their waiting list for transitional housing. Mr. Coast does need a good phone number for him, and I'll put you in a breakout room to get that in just a minute. So, Mr. Murphy, any other updates, Mr. Coast, or is that where we still stand?
No other updates, Judge. It looks like he's doing pretty well.
Okay, good. So, Mr. Murphy, how would you like to proceed today with Mr. Lambus?
Your Honor, Mr. Lambus, the offer in his case would involve him pleading to resisting opposing an officer as charged with no habitual domestic violence, and then which I believe is count 7, an assault on a healthcare professional. I'm not sure on the counts. There was I think there's 7 counts of our know. The offer would be to plead to.
It was count 1, count 7, and count 9.
Yes, Your Honor. I've spoken with Mr. Lambus about that offer. He does not wish to accept that offer. I've spoken with the prosecutor as well about what we're trying to get in regards to what Mr. Lambus would be willing to maybe consider accepting. At this point, we haven't really gotten, we're kind of butting heads. And so, Your Honor, I think while the case isn't fairly old, I'd want to set a trial, I think, in this matter, a one-day trial. I'm probably going to file a motion beforehand. So if the court was to set it out a bit of time, we're still going to have some probably progress on the case, if the court understands what I mean. There is an issue that I think we want to address, and I think I'm going to file a motion on that. So if I think if the court or the prosecution would agree, I think that the trial, though, ultimately would probably take just one day.
Ms. Adams, I'm looking for a one-day jury trial. I know that he's not in custody, so we're probably at about that.
Okay. We actually could do Tuesday, July 22nd.
July 22nd at 9 a.m. July 22nd at 9 a.m. Does that work?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I'm just pulling on my schedule. That would work for myself, Your Honor.
Mr. Sneed, I don't know who the prosecutor is on this file, so.
Mr. Banetto appears to be clear with this calendar.
All right, so July 22nd for a jury trial. I will set a final pretrial for July 16 of 25 at 8:30 in the morning. I'm going to make that the motion deadline. And then I'm going to require jury instructions and voir dire questions to be provided to the court by July 9. All right, I have filled out a scheduling order. We will get a copy of that out to everybody. Mr. Lambus, make sure you stay in contact with your attorney. I'm going to pop you in a breakout room with Mr. Coast and give you an opportunity to speak to him. So hold on one second. It's just going to need to get a contact number for you. Okay. So, where are you at, dear? There you are. All right, go ahead and join that breakout room. All right, I still do not have an AG yet, so I just wanted you to know that. Caleb Daniels, so let me get you. Mr. Murphy, you represent Mr. Daniels.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Caleb Robert Daniels, we have 4 files. We have two probation violation files, 23-21311FH, 23-21356FH. We have a pretrial and contempt on file number 24-22081FH. And we are set for arraignment on file number 25-22256FH. So, Mr. Murphy, well, I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people and Matthew Murphy appearing on behalf of Mr. Daniels. So, Mr. Murphy, how do you wish to proceed with Mr. Daniels today?
Your Honor, in regards to file 25-22256, we acknowledge receipt of the information, the witness list, and the discovery demand by the prosecution at this time. We would waive a reading of those in the open court, and we just ask, in regards to the matter, Mr. Daniels I think we've talked about them briefly at a prior pretrial date. I think I'm going to ask ultimately to schedule a Cobb's conference. Mr. Daniels is wanting to be reconsidered for entrance back into recovery court after a period of
So,
incarceration.
wait, Ms. Teskey, Mr. Daniels already attended the RAP program or no? No,
No,
okay, never mind. Okay, so how far out would you like the pre-trial, and then you can schedule a bench conference?
Whatever fits the court's schedule best. I'm hoping just briefly, and then if we can come to a resolution, be back before the court before the next scheduled pretrial, if we can find it.
So on file number 25-22256 I'll enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of Mr. Daniels. My next available pretrial is June 11 at 8:30 in the morning. So we will do the notice of hearing on the arraignment file, and Mr. Murphy, the violation of probation files. If you could do it on 24-22081, we can do the stip in order to adjourn on that file. And Mr. Sneed, can you sign your name with permission?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, all right. So Mr. Daniels, we'll see you back on that day, if not sooner. Thank you.
What date was that?
June 11 at 8:30 in the morning.
Caleb, I'm going to Zoom with you later today, okay?
Okay.
All right,
Mr. Daniels.
thank you.
Thank
you. All right, so, all right, Ms. Edmonds, can you hear me?
Yes, I
Okay,
can.
I'm gonna need, okay, good. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Christina Mia Edmonds, file number 24-21983FH. Ms. Edmonds, we are here today on a request and warrant for probation violation, which alleges that on or about May 1 of 24, you violated your probation terms and that you consumed alcohol, and on May 2nd of 2025, you violated your conditions by tampering with your scram bracelet. And then on May 1 of 25, okay, so I think the first one was May 1 of 25. Is that count 1 and count 3 the same, Ms. Walsh? Do I have Ms. Walsh?
No,
So is it the first one, May 1 of 24? Because it
No.
says May 1 of,
it should be 25.
all right, so
But-
the first one is May 1 of 25. She violated bond conditions by consuming alcohol, and then count 3, May 1 of 25, she consumed alcohol. Are those
Yeah.
the same though? Okay.
No, one is a but no, they're not. Sorry.
Okay, all right, and then on May 8 of 25, you refused to enter residential treatment as ordered by me via an amended order signed on May 7th. So Ms. Edmonds, those are the allegations against you. You're currently on probation for controlled substance possession of cocaine, less than 25 grams. So if you were to plead guilty or be found guilty of this violation of probation, you could be facing up to 4 years in prison. She's got another, does she have another pending file up here?
It hasn't come, and she's a pending OWI downstairs.
Okay, so Ms. Edmonds, you do have a right to have an attorney represent you at this and all subsequent hearings. If you can't afford to hire one, we can appoint you one at public expense. Would you like an attorney appointed to represent you?
Yeah, please.
Okay, all right, so we will appoint counsel to represent you. And I'm not sure when we can get one. It'll be either this morning or tomorrow morning. So I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty. We will reach out to the public defender's office and try to get someone this morning, okay?
All right, please. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Ms. Edmonds.
All right.
All right.
Done.
So, yep, you're all set. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Malaro, were you going, good morning. Mr. Malaro, were you going to get another pre-trial date from Mr. Elliott?
That was the idea, yes, Judge.
I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes, that was the idea, Judge. He's, I think this is the first pretrial. I talked to Mr.
Okay.
Elliott, and so.
Hold
that was
on,
gonna
let
be
me
our
call the
request.
case and we'll just do it. I don't have an AG. They're usually here by now, so I'm not sure what's going on. All right, in the matter, come back up to the podium. In the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jeffrey Allen Elliott, we have 4 files, 21-20212 FH, which is a probation violation, 23-21200 FH, probation violation, 25-22203 FH, which is a pretrial, as well as 25-22204 FH. Have Salvatore Malaro appearing on all files. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on 25-22203 FH and 21-20212 FH. I do not have an AG present. I typically do, so I'm sure that is a misunderstanding. And so, Mr. Malaro, how far out would you like another pretrial? I got nothing. No. Nope. One
I
week.
can't have 30 days?
Oh, yeah, I can give you, I couldn't hear you. So 30 days is fine. So I will set this out to June 18 at 8:30 in the morning. We will get him a notice of hearing because he is in person. So Mr. Elliott, I will get you a notice of hearing this morning. So just sit back where you were. Ms. Adams, I know there's 4 files, but thank you. So we'll get you a notice of hearing, all right? Or actually, Ms. Adams, well, yeah, all right. Just have a seat. We'll get you a notice of hearing. Okay, so.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Mr. Malaro, I have, well, you have Chad Stewart. I don't have Chad Stewart, but in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Chad London Stewart, file number 25-22167 FH, 25-22168 FH. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of Mr. Stewart. I have, it's like Sam Malaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Stewart. Okay, I am surprised he's not here. And the reason I say that, Mr. Malaro, is he has been testing with Darren Coast regularly. He hasn't missed any. He's been completely negative. Do you want to try to reach out to him?
Yeah, I will do that, Judge. I talked to Darren. He said that he was doing really well. So let me, if you could pass on this, I'll see if I can get a hold of him.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
I'd be fine with moving it if we need to, because he has been doing well.
Okay, Judge, thanks.
Thank you. All right, now I got nothing but Rhonda. Miss Arnold, can I ask which file you're here for?
I'm here on Israel Vela.
Okay. Thank you. That's that. Thank you. You too. Want to come back to real quick? Sorry. Let's see if we have one. Hold on one second. I do not have one. Thank you. Becky, do we have an advice of rights from Mr. Elliott?
I can print one.
You want to print one for him? So they changed the law, and so we have to do advice of right forms now in circuit court, even though I read it to you. But if I give you one, can you read it real quick and sign it so I can stick it in your file? Okay. Do you have time? You got to go to work or?
I just want to get done.
Okay.
I gotta go see Mr. Jones first.
Okay. All right. So
I'm
give
not a
me.
big hurry.
Okay. Hold on one second. Since you're here, I figured I would take care of that. See if Rhonda's down in judgeable stickers.
Judge, if I may,
Yes, sir.
I called Mr. Stewart's number. It's actually working, so that's always a good sign. I could not leave a message because his mailbox was full, which is apparently common for people.
How about I adjourn this out to June 11? Just because, and I'm doing that because he's been testing and doing a good job, so I think it's just an accident. So I'm gonna set these pre-trials out to June 11 at 8:30, and if you can do the stipend order to adjourn, make sure a notice gets mailed to him. And can you sign your name with permission, Mr. Sneed?
Yes, he can.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Yep, have a good day.
Thank you. Mr. Malaro, I think that's all I have with you, right?
Okay, if you say so, Judge, I'll head out. Thank you.
I don't see anything else with you. I just have Michael and Rhonda, and the AG looks like she's in front of Judge Olsaver. So if you go down there, you can chat her to let her know we adjourned that case for her.
Okay, Judge, could I, since sounds like we got some time, could I have a breakout with Miss Arnold if she's willing?
She's still here. She's, oh, yep, she is. Miss Arnold,
Yeah, that's
any
fine.
objection to a breakout room with Mr. Malaro?
Well, kind of, but I'll do it.
What?
Is it an objection to just his personality or the time?
Just his personality.
Well, okay, that's fair.
It's fine, Judge.
All right. Okay, so hold on. Let me get you in there. So Allison Arnold, Salvatore Malaro. Where are you? There you are. All right, there you go. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks, Judge.
All right, thank you. You have a good day.
Every day.
Perfect. Got those done. Put those in a file. Okay. All right, I'm gonna take a recess. I have no defense attorneys, and I just need Rhonda and Mr. Daggermar goes in, and they are both in front of Judge Olsaver. So they're not here.
Hi, Michael. How are you?
I'm good, how you doing?
Good.
Oh, it's the new,
That's the new, yeah,
oh, that's 2020.
why don't you guys come over?
I'm just getting hounded by Katie to get that picture.
Yeah.
Oh, is this for the,
This is the new one,
the celebration?
the law day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't some of us come from our office?
I don't know, I couldn't tell the faces on, on Zoom. I didn't come in.
Yeah.
But I watched it.
Yeah.
It was excellent.
Okay.
And there were commissioners and city council members. It was nice.
Good.
But this is, yeah, why didn't you do that? That's a
Joe-
nice thing.
Joe, you know I'm not.
I know.
Types of things.
I know, but it would have been nice for,
These are good. These are good.
yeah,
Well done.
yeah. Carly's on.
You know, I
there.
know, I saw it.
Yeah.
I try to stay out of this.
Low key.
Yeah, low key.
Yeah,
You know,
Yeah.
kind of private.
yeah. I understand what you're saying. I'd rather be behind the scenes. and-
But it's nice that it was a
Yeah,
thing.
it was a wonderful,
Good.
and there was a nice write-up in the paper, so it was really nice. How's your family doing, Michael?
Yeah, everybody's good. Let's see, my dad is, I don't know if I brought you, but he loves these cruises. I think.
Yes, you told me.
He loves these cruises, so he's on one right now.
Oh,
He's,
we're on YouTube.
Yeah.
It's just, okay.
he would love the world to know that he loves cruises, so.
That's
So he loves these
great.
cruises.
Good.
Hey, Judge. And, yeah, my mom's fine. She's
Good.
working in the garden, trying to get the garden ready for summer.
Super, so,
You are?
I know, certainly, my mom is, but that was my Mother's Day present, working in her garden for a couple hours.
That's
Yeah.
that's.
Nice.
Yeah,
All right, so, I'm gonna call the jail on your people. Miss Williams, good morning. So, I had, what did I have with you this morning? I had, Jeffrey Elliott this morning with you, and, I knew you were here somewhere, but the attorney was just asking for another pretrial. You were in front of Judge Olsaver. So I sent Mr. Elliott over. He had a violation of probation on one of your files and then also a new file plus a couple other files. So I set it over to June 18 at 8:30 in the morning.
Okay, sounds good.
So I think that's all you have with me this morning, right?
It is June 18th
All right.
at 8:30. Okay, thank you.
June 18 at 8:30. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye. All right, so Michael, I'm gonna call the jail. You have it. Are we ready on Oliveras? Or we gotta wait till 10? Who's your prosecutor?
When we come to jail?
Okay, this is Judge Anselon. So I am ready on Timothy Neves.
Okay.
And then when I'm done with him, I'll take Castro Oliveras.
Okay.
And that's it for now.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay.
Jasmine.
Not at the
She's
jail
not
though.
on the-
Not in jail?
No,
Not here either.
not on the list.
Was he in jail?
Not on
Do you
the-
think he was in jail? You're asking, did you think he was in jail?
Yeah, she was as of last week. And I think she was being held in on a child support.
Okay, let me ask.
Jail deputy or
This is Judge Anselon. I don't have her on my jail list, but do you have a Jasmine Sarabia at the jail?
I don't believe so. Let me pull system up.
Thank you.
We do not, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye. She's not here either.
Sorry.
It's an arraignment. All right, I Isaac, I don't know if you can let Mr. McCready know we may be able to take Castro Oliveras a little early at maybe 9:30 or so.
I will
Maybe.
text them.
All right, thank you. That's fine. You mean your mom can or anything like that? Can.
Yeah, she always has millions of tomatoes from the summer, so yeah, she does a little bit of canning, but mostly it's just she just eats it fresh and just gives it out and stuff.
Yeah.
She's getting, let's see, the mint is going, tomatoes, peppers, and then do you garden at all?
Yeah.
So she has groundhogs that come into her garden and eat everything up. So she read that, I don't know if this will work, but she read that onions they like stay away from onions. So we planted a bunch of onions around the garden to see if.
Oh, okay, see if that works.
Yeah, we'll see.
I heard lime.
Lime?
Yeah, because it drives the grubs away, because that's what they eat.
Yeah,
okay.
They're going after grubs, not really the plants.
So what do you do? Just
spread lime on the ground, and when it rains, it soaks in the ground and drives the grubs out.
pass that along. And I'll give you credit though. If it works.
If it works.
Yeah.
Or she can do raised beds.
She has that, but somehow they
Get up
they're
there.
not raised enough, I guess.
Yeah. My chickens like eat all the grubs, so I kind of stay away from my garden.
Yeah.
But I have to keep the chickens out of the garden because they'll eat all my baby plants, so. All right, I just had some. Write your name on the file. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Timothy Jerome Neves, file number 25-22222 FC. I have Michael Dagger Margosian appearing on behalf of Mr. Neves. And Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is a date and time set for a first pretrial in this matter. So, Mr. Dagger Margosian, how would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, good morning, Mike Dagger Margosian for Mr. Neves. Your Honor, this case, there was a preliminary exam conducted in this matter. We don't have the transcript yet, and I don't think that we can really move forward without that. So I think based on the severity of the matter and based on potential for litigation, I would just ask the court for an adjournment to allow us enough time to get that transcript.
When was the request made, or is it being made now?
If it hasn't been, I'll make sure that it is.
So we give them 90 days to do that. So that would take us to, how about August 13? Obviously, if we get the transcript, Mr. Neves earlier than that, Mr. Dagger Margosian will call and get the date moved up. So August 13 at 8:30 in the morning. And will you do the pretrial step in order?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Neves, I will continue your bond and we'll see you back then, if not sooner. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you, Mr. Neves.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Is it cool if I talk to my lawyer for a minute?
Well, your lawyer's in the courtroom and you're on a Zoom, so he will get a hold of you. All right?
Okay. Yep. Thank you.
All right. Thank
Have a
you.
good one.
You
Have a good one.
too. You too. I went to buy like stuffed can and I usually stock up, and back during the pandemic, everybody decided to make bread. So like you could never find yeast or good flour. And I get my flour from Italy because it has a lower, it's healthier. And so I went to buy a bunch of stuff for canning and like they were wiped out. And they said, well, everybody's now because people think there's a recession coming, they're concerned about a recession. So, everybody's doing their victory garden, I guess.
Yeah.
And so I was like, okay, so I stocked up on what I could, but it's kind of fun. I'm like, all right, all these amateurs, they got to stop getting in my way. Yes, Miss Arnold.
Oh, just listening to the conversation. There's some Amish store somewhere by Wooster, Ohio. It's not an Amish store. It's like a humongous hardware store that has all sorts of stuff. So I wanted to go there because I need some canning stuff. And I like when they have those cool jars,
Yes.
So, yeah.
And they've changed the jars they make, because like usually I make jam, like I go pick strawberries and we'll make jams and then we make Christmas jam or whatever. And they used to have really pretty little round kind of jam jars. And I think they stopped making those. And I did pick up a bunch of Christmas ones that have snowflakes on them, which I thought were kind of cute. But yeah, trying to find cute jars. Yep.
Yeah. Because if you make jelly to give it away, you want it to look good.
Yeah, right, exactly. So, yeah. So we'll go pick like 3,000 pounds of strawberries in a couple weeks and then spend like 5 days exhausted canning. So, because my daughter will only eat strawberry jam, so.
I like strawberry rhubarb too. Have you done that before?
Yep.
Yeah,
I have done that. Yep. I have. So Wooster, Ohio, huh? How far away is that?
Couple hours. My daughter spent a summer there doing a research project, so it's a cool area. It's really pretty.
All right. I know they opened up a Buc-ee's in Ohio, which is like 2.5 hours away. So some of the kids are like, we're gonna take a road trip and go to Buc-ee's because they see it on TikTok, And I'm like, oh, maybe Worcester is on the way. I don't know.
Yeah, they might be disappointed in Buc-ee's, but their sandwiches are really good.
Now they go.
Between here and Louisiana, there are probably 4 Buc-ee's that we pass if we drive.
Yeah. I've never seen a Buc-ee's. Like we drive to Florida, but we fly now, but I don't remember ever seeing a Buc-ee's. So
yeah, I think the new one, it must be off I-75. Maybe Cincinnati or on that way.
No, I thought it was like on the way to Columbus, maybe. I don't know.
Huh.
Because I don't know. Because Cincy, that'd be great because our oldest lives in Cincinnati. In Ohio.
Yeah, they do some barbecue there, and their brisket and their barbecue turkey sandwiches are both really good.
Yeah, they opened it up near Columbus.
Okay.
So not towards Cincy. So. I like Columbus too, though. We traveled there, so maybe. Huber Heights, somewhere called Huber Heights here in Columbus. I'm like stuck. I need Rhonda.
It's so humid today, Judge. I walked in and I looked at myself in the mirror. I was like, did I forget to flat iron my hair this morning? And I had to think about whether I did it or not.
Yeah, it is humid out and it's like misty out. It looks like it's gonna rain.
Yeah.
We uncovered the pool and I need water in it. So I'm hoping we get some good rain over the next 4 days. So I don't have to pay for him to come in and put like 3 inches of water in my pool.
Nice.
It's like warm for May. Like it's hot so far already.
I know.
It's not usually this warm.
Saw a hummingbird yesterday.
Did you see one? I put my